MotoTec Pro Electric Dirt Bike Review. Honest results, real proof, and off-road truth. Your kid spots a dirt bike online and immediately starts the campaign. You cave, buy one, and it dies after 20 minutes. That is the real story nobody posts. Type me if that stings a little. Here is the thing though. There is actually a version of this story where the bike keeps going, the kid keeps grinning, and you stop second-guessing the purchase entirely. Choosing the wrong electric dirt bike is a suffocating cycle of returns, weak batteries, and frustrated kids standing in the yard watching a dead throttle. Every review sounds the same. Every spec table looks promising. Then it arrives and the magic evaporates in the first session. But what if the bike actually delivered what the listing promised? Then I put the MotoTec 48-volt 1,800-watt Lithium Pro electric dirt bike in the yard, and everything shifted instantly. Don't just pick any electric dirt bike. Make sure it has adjustable speed control and a brushless lithium motor, so you never feel that burning frustration of a bike that ages out before your rider does. The adjustable top speed, ranging from 5 to 31 miles per hour, means one parent sets it to 8 for a cautious beginner, while another pushes it to full send for a confident teen. The 48-volt lithium battery runs up to 16 miles per charge on hard surfaces and charges in 4 to 6 hours, so weekend sessions stay long and recovery stays manageable. Dual hydraulic front shocks with up to 120 millimeters travel eat bumps clean. The rear shock handles the unexpected landings. One rider nearly bailed on a rutted backyard trail, but the suspension absorbed it smoothly and momentum continued without drama. IPX6 water rating seals the deal for unpredictable weather. Curious which model fits your rider's size and skill level? Here is what the real pattern looks like across dozens of honest reports. Riders start careful. Within a session or two, they are pushing limits, which tells you the learning curve on these bikes is practically flat. Wild Child Sports described the 48-volt version as an ultimate thrill machine with strong motor response and wide speed range, which is not marketing language. That is a reviewer who actually tested it. Climate Tech Review called the 36-volt model a fun and adjustable entry into electric riding with superior ride time compared to similar bikes. One parent on Walmart said great runtime and impressive quality, while another confirmed their kid loved it immediately. A buyer noted the 48-volt had plenty of get up and go through grass, dirt, and off-road surfaces without struggling. Now, here is a concern worth naming directly. The price feels like a stretch for some families. But consider this. You are buying a lithium battery system, disc brakes, hydraulic suspension, and adjustable electronics in one package. Gas alternatives cost more in maintenance annually. That math flips the conversation fast. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for power, 2 for range, or 3 for safety control. Join the ones who already know that the MotoTec 36-volt Pro Electric Dirt Bike 1000-watt lithium and the MotoTec 48-volt 1800-watt lithium Pro Electric Dirt Bike lineup are genuinely two of the most rider-friendly electric off-road options available right now for kids and teens. The adjustable speed and lithium power combo is the real superpower here. My link is in the description and pinned comment. Just tap it and see the full details for yourself. You and your rider deserve the right fit.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.